We are here at Lavender Farms at Kelso. So this is in Milton, Ontario, and if you haven't visited a lavender farm in summers, what are you even doing? So today I have come with my girls to visit a beautiful lavender farm right here in Ontario. It's only 1 hour from Brampton, Mississauga area, and even from Kitchener-Waterloo. I'll put on all the details in the caption, so if you want to visit, I will suggest you must. So let's go and enjoy. Before you even step into the lavender fields, make sure you spend some time exploring their little shop because it's honestly so worth it. They have everything lavender inspired you can think of, from dried lavender bouquets to cute little sachet to hand creams that you can take home as a souvenir. And if you're a coffee lover, you're going to love this part. They have the cutest little cafe serving all kind of lavender treats. It really adds to the whole experience. And my friends are here as well. Say hi.
Hello!
Look how beautiful it is.
Look at the lavender.
Yay, so cute.
You guys can share with us. We can all
Okay,
lavender.
thank you. If you're looking for the perfect summer day trip, this lavender farm absolutely deserves a spot on your list. You're surrounded by the fields of the most vibrant purple flowers. It's honestly so beautiful that you can't help but smile. From cute little touches to the charming backdrops, you don't have to search for the perfect picture. They have already done that for you. This little picture wall was definitely one of the fun parts. You can pop your face through the cutouts, take silly pictures, and just enjoy the moment with your friends. It's those little touches that makes the experience so memorable. And we are here with our friends as well, and meet little kiddos. Her name is Rida. Isn't she looking cute? Rida, show your lavender.
She has it on.
She has it in the bow. How cute this is hairband is looking. By the way, guys, we didn't cut it without permission. We got the basket, we have paid for it, so we can cut as many as we want in the basket. And are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of fun. So let's go, and we're going to click pictures in the main area. They have a beautiful, beautiful scenes over here. I will highly recommend if you're in the Kitchener-Waterloo, Ontario area, Mississauga, Brampton, you must come and visit this place. Let me come and show you the real part. And this is the view I'm talking about. Kriti, how is your experience so far? You loved it?
The fragrance, the feels, it's too fun. It's literally like out of a movie. Like if you want to live like cottage vibes, this is the place to be for.
So this was a very last minute decision actually. So I found out this place last week when I was just traveling on the 401 highway, and I saw the beautiful lavender fields, and I called Kriti and I was like, we have to go. I saw a bunch of girls. I can even figure out from the very far that there are a bunch of girls clicking pictures. And then I came back home, I googled, and just look at this beauty.
It's recommended to visit with your girlfriends.
Yeah, I'll definitely say if you're looking for any activity to do with your girlfriends, want to bring your family, this is a perfect place to be here. Even might be a date idea, but I will still recommend be a girls' day out.
Because you'll need pictures.
You'll need pictures, and you need to have a bit of patience because the sun is whole out.
Yeah.
But it's whole worth it. Even if it's sunny, even if it's too hot, just come out here and enjoy. I'm telling you, you will not even get to know where your 2 hours have flown by.
Yeah.
We have been here for like what, 45 minutes?
Yeah, more than that. I think.
Yeah, more than that I think. And we have been taking pictures, we are enjoying.
Still don't want to go.
Yeah, I don't want this to end. Make your reservation, and if you book it online, it's $2 cheaper for you. Okay, smiles on the face. Yes, just nice faces, please.
Yes.
Show them our basket. So Ruhi got the basket, and we can cut as many lavenders as we can.
No, like a handful of those.
A handful of those.
We are
And how much it
actually-
cost?
$15.
$15. Oh, that's nice though. But you can make a big bouquet out of it,
Oh,
and
yes,
you can
of
also
course.
dry it and make
Oh,
essential
yes,
oils
yes.
or something.
That's the plan.
Yeah.
No. And you can make perfume out of it
As a
too.
whole bunch, guys, I'm honestly telling you, like, no fake review. It smells amazing. Like proper lavender की smell आ रही है ना?
बहुत
कितनी
अच्छी।
अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है.
बहुत अच्छी.
So,
It smells
Ruhi,
so
will you
good.
recommend someone to come bring your kids? Yes.
Please do.
Say hi.
And dress them pretty.
And dress them pretty, and you will click a lot of pictures.
Lavender.
I'm gonna pick one lavender for home. I took one for the memory that we came here. I'm gonna dry it up and I'm gonna make an essential oil out of it. I think one is even enough for one time use. What do you say? How cute. यहाँ पे photography हो रही है. So Kriti, loving the photos? I think we should go to the white carriage.
Yeah, we have.
There's a white carriage at the very back. Let's go there. And these are the new routings that you can see. तो ये यहाँ पे इन्होंने field को और vast कर दिया and they are planting new ones. How pretty this is! And there's a piano right at the back. We are gonna go there and click pictures.
This was honestly one of my favorite spots in the entire lavender field. A white piano sitting in the middle of the endless purple flowers felt like something straight out of a movie.
By the way, I'm not playing. It's all fake. There's no sound coming. But how cute this is that I'm playing in the middle of the lavender fields.
The whole setup gave the most dreamy cottagecore vibes, the peaceful feels, beautiful scenery, and the little details that made it feel like you had stepped into a fairy tale. It felt like this whole moment was meant to be.
And we are done for the day. It was so beautiful, so beautiful. My dress is looking lovely. This is the fit for the day. Had a lot of fun, and honestly guys, I feel if you are someone who likes to click pictures, videos, if you're coming with someone like that, then you must take at least 2 hours of time to visit this field. It's a huge field. You will find plenty of locations to click pictures. Such a vast farm they have, and they also have sunflower fields which open at the end of July. So maybe we'll come again over here. But it was such a fun experience. And now it's beach time. So there's a beautiful beach nearby. It's called Kelso Beach. I'm not sure how good that beach is going to be, but we'll try. We have packed all the picnic stuff, and the idea is to just go over there, sit and enjoy. We also have beach umbrella that can protect us from the sun. So let's go without any wait and have a picnic. To the beach. So we have just left the Kelso Lavender Farms, and now we are going to Kelso Beach. And let's ask everyone how did they feel about the experience. क्योंकि धूप बहुत ज़्यादा थी, but we still had a lot of fun, I think.
I feel like I'm on an interview. No, it
कैसा
was
लगा?
बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. It was a bit hot, but I would still say like the fragrance that there was so good. It had very bushy lavender fields, like not just like 3-4 lanes, but they had like 4-5 sets of different fields, and it had like carriages and whatnot. So it was a lot of area that they have. I think it's a must visit at least once in summers for sure. And yeah, we had a lot of fun.
Ruhi, how was your experience? मज़ा आ रहा है बच्चों को?
Ruhi even has lavender.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
And
a
now,
lot of it
are
for
you
that
ready
matter.
for the picnic?
Oh yes. Are we ready for the picnic, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are going to eat and then enjoy, have some
Yes.
watermelon.
Yes. Oh wow, you got watermelon?
Yeah, I got
Only if it
watermelon.
survived the heat.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Like, I'm pretty
Let's
sure
see.
it will not be a cool as we got it, because it was so hot. The car is like literally
Yeah.
all packed. But I'm still looking forward
Melted.
to the iced water. हम इसमें
Oh,
ice
yeah.
भी डालती, right?
Yes.
So I think it will be still be a little chilly at least to survive the heat.
That's the
That's
hope.
what we need. So now let's go and watch
Sunset.
How much is the price for 1 liter ticket? Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
So guys, यहाँ पर आना भी सस्ता नहीं है. And this is, we are in the conservation area, and it's gonna cost you around 13.56 per person. And we have since 2 kids, so एक की ticket नहीं लगी है, so we didn't have to pay for 1 kid. But yeah, it's gonna cost you around like $14. Let's see. I think it's gonna be worth it, because if they are charging you, they are definitely going to maintain the area, the beach. I'm expecting now the beach
It's
to
pretty.
be nice. Okay.
It's pretty crowded.
Because yeah, and there's actually a little bit crowded. It's going to be a walk to the beach.
We need boys.
We don't need boys. We just had to do 2 trips, but we are trying to be ambitious. We thought we can do it in 1 trip.
But
now we have a
still,
lot of stuff.
Husbands are important.
A lot of stuff. My hands are full. My arms are giving up, but we are almost there. It's not too far, it's just our stuff is way too heavy because we have a lot of food, we have chairs, we are still not reached. But the view, look at this. Wish we had less stuff with us, but the area is very beautiful. It's not a huge beach, it's like a, I don't know how to say, like it's very small. Let me go and show you, but let me show you the view, how beautiful lakeside area. You see over there, that's the beach, and what a view. Let's go and see if we can find a good spot. And we have finally reached here. It's the Kelso beach in the Kelso conservation area. It's way too hot. The first thing we need to do is set up the beach umbrella. Things we have to do without husbands. I'm gonna try if this is gonna work or not. इसको stabilize नहीं करा. Like the sand is very hard. It's not like something that can rust.
This is not giving shadow anywhere. ये sun इधर है. So ये ऐसे लगना है.
I don't think it's gonna work. So maybe picnic bench at the back. Let's go. And we have reached. Now I don't want to move from this place. Don't anyone ask me from this place. I think we are gonna set up something on the picnic bench, and we are also gonna lay the mats over here. So let's go and set up. And we have this kind of cute setup. I got a table cover which has bows on it. We have a cute basket in which we are going to fit the food. How cute it is, and it's matching with the girls. And now we are going to make some reels of the table setup video. So this is actually very Pinteresty vibe going on. How cute she's looking. Okay, change of plans again. तो हम glasses set कर रहे थे, and what we realized कि सब कुछ slant हो रहा है because this is slow. But actually this was the one of those areas कि जहाँ पे shade था हमारे पास there, because there is a huge tree over here and we don't want to sit in the sun. और हमारा जो beach umbrella है वो कोई काम नहीं कर रहा because sunlight is coming from that side, so it's gonna not give us any shade at all. There's only one spot left which has shade. We are gonna run over there before someone else takes the spot. So let's go and hurry. I swear, my all energy has been spent in setting this up.
I need water.
So tiring. Finally doing the table setup. We have been waiting so much for. तो कृति ने also Pinterest पे बहुत सारे videos, screenshots put down किए थे, and this is, we have come up with the whole vibe. Show the glasses. They have a cute bow. So cute. We also have the table cover. उसके साथ में black bows भी हैं. And girls are matching. Girls are also wearing the pink. The goal is to finish this up faster so we can eat now.
Are these crackers healthy? Fresh veggies in them.
Yeah.
A lot of videos. Yeah, now do it. And at last, dinner time.
So yummy.
Yes. So we have packed shahi paneer with rice and some veggies. Looking good, right? ये ज़्यादा aesthetic लग रहा था. We clicked pictures before we came because we knew that it's gonna get messed up. But this is our dinner.
Oh, looks yummy.
Yes, let's see.
Oh, wow.
Woo! और हम कर रहे हैं खाना सर्व. बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी थी. They have been so patient, such a good kid. सच में बता रही हूँ. इतनी बार अगर किसी ने मुझे बोला था ना, मैं रोने लग पड़ती है बचपन में. But they are good.
Show your plate.
I'm gonna. So we have made shahi paneer and rice. घर पे बनाया है. It's all healthy. We have put cashews in it, so it's gonna be tasty.
Is it good, girls?
Thank you so much.
हम मोहितो बना रहे हैं, और जो लास्ट व्लॉग में भी था, if you have watched my beach vlog, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it. So I'm gonna just squeeze the lemon in it. And we have our whole party over here. We are going to have a picnic, and it's just time to now chill and enjoy. And we are gonna. I would really want to relax for half an hour, have the vibe. Girls, are you happy now?
Yep.
Oh my God, the bees are coming on my face. Yeah. You like the food? Say thumbs up. Yeah. Cute photo shoot happening over here. Rida, you like the picnic spot?
Yeah.
Yes. How cute.
That's mini us. So yummy. Perfect. हाँ मजा आ गया वैसे ये ज़्यादा दूर भी नहीं अच्छा है ये पार्क जो है ना बच्चों के लिए इट्स गुड यहाँ पर आराम से स्विम भी कर सकते हैं बीच वाली वाइब के साथ
ज़्यादा deep नहीं है. We'll go to another beach.
Wait,
It
now
is
the
Southampton Beach. We will go to Southampton. It's a very popular beach. Best for sunset. It's 2.5 hours. 2 hours 15 minutes. But very worth the drive. So we are going to finish the food, and honestly I cannot even describe in words
Very good and healthy.
the amount of relaxation I'm feeling right now after shooting all the content and now eating by the lakeside view. We also saw the sunset. We were shooting the content, but it's
kind of
it's okay. It's okay. You know what? Like we worked really hard on doing this aesthetic setup, so I really wanted to get some really beautiful pictures and videos, and we did.
yeah
Great job on that.
I'll have a
thank you
Even my napkins are so aesthetic. Can you see that? It's matching my vibe, guys. Yeah, that was the end of the day. We had a lot of fun in the lavender fields now at the Kelso Beach. Our main agenda of coming here was honestly having the picnic by the lakeside. And you can see the view is amazing. We were not able to enjoy sunset as much as we wanted to, but we got the pictures and all the video content.
sometimes you
That
have to
we wanted.
compromise peace over content so
Yeah.
but,
But
we still had a little bit of
we had fun. It's okay. It's our kind of fun. But I will definitely recommend if you're planning water activities or you know swimming, it's a definitely must visit. But if you're just planning like a picnic or you want to visit the area, maybe not worth it because you're going to like spend like $14 per person.
yeah like they're like free of cost beaches and
Yeah,
stuff.
there are a lot of other places where you can go for free of cost. So not I would not recommend if you're not
Only
coming for
for
the
picnic,
only
yeah.
for picnic area. But otherwise, the area is very nice. They have very well cleaned it up. They have the maintained it very nicely, and that calls for the end of the vlog. This is the end of the day. Now we are going to head back. It's going to be 1 hour drive from here back to Kitchener Waterloo area, and we are just going to relax and wind down for the night. But if you have watched till now, if you're liking the video, make sure you hit the like button. Thanks for supporting. Your support means so much to me. Even if you know me or you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe the video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.